uploaded any video. So and really where I'm recording now, it's in the village at my home. So I'm very sorry for external voice coming for that. So guys, welcome. Today I want to share with you use 3 programs, and the point is how insert a table or a data from Excel sheet to these 2 programs. That is Word first and M-Success. So I'm going to use a data from Excel sheet through M-Sweat and M-Success. So let us go step by step. And really I'm going to do this for quick. I already have an open documents. These 3 documents, it's open. So first of all, let's go to M-Success Excel. So I have this prepared data for quick time for keeping time. So I have this. So how many people that we have, and this is names, gender, age, job title, and batch number. You maybe sometimes you require a data prepared in MS Access to have MS Excel. To have or whatever job you are in, they require to take a data from there and then prepare it and comment it and whatever, write it something like that, like weekly report or maybe something like that. And this problem really share it with some of my colleagues, and I want to do it. And also, as you are watching now, you can also leave in your comment section your feedback. If you have some challenges of Microsoft Office, okay. Without wasting time, let us go and let us be together step by step. Pay attention. Thanks. So we have this data highlighted, and it's very easy, by the way, guys. Taking this data to MSWord. So copy it, click, copy. You can also cut, but it's unnecessary. Go to Word, it's already open. So paste here. And the warning: when you are taking a table from this Excel sheet, you have to know, is it fitable? This is precisely this is the size you require. First of all, you have to recite what you have there. That's a warning. So I take this data to by doing what? Highlighting, copy, then this section I use right click your mouse, then paste it here. So that is how you can take a data from Excel to MS-Word. You can take it wherever you want. Take it up or okay. Let us go to this one also. Success. So we want to get a data from Excel sheet using what? Success. So step by step, make sure that you are already saved this data. So when you are doing inserting data from Access using Access, you have to know the browse or the location, the source that you have already saved. So this one I have saved. By saving this, go to File, Save as Desktop. Let me say test2. So now you see in test2. Okay, minimize or maybe close that one. This is success. By inserting this one, go to this menu tab, external data, use Excel. This is where we want to get the source. Browse it, test2. Are you seeing that? Test2 because of we have saved on the desktop. This is test2. Open it. Okay. This is how it should appear. If it's unchecked, you have to know how it's checked because it will separate this like that. So next. Okay. So it's here. MS Access uses ID, which is requires the primary key. So it has added an additional column. So we don't want to use my own primary key for that one. Okay. Next. Finish. Save important steps. Save it. That's done. Boom, guys. So we have it. We have it now. So we have sheet 1. You can rename it. Test2. So guys, this is the quick I made it. So thank you guys for following the steps. So this is the Excel sheet data we have prepared there. So we can also use here. I think it's very helpful. So let me know also what your opinion in the comment section, guys. Thank you very much once again. Bye bye.